When you create an Azure load balancer, you will select the type of load balancer. It could be internal or public. You can also select the SKU of the load balancer. Let's understand what is a load balancer SKU. The load balancer supports basic and standard versions of SKUs, and each of these differ in scale scenarios or different features and pricing as well. The standard load balancer is the newer load balancer product with an expanded and more granular feature set as compared to basic load balancer. Let's talk about some general information about SKUs. Keep in mind that SKU of a load balancer cannot be changed once it is created. A load balancer rule cannot span across two virtual networks. That means that you cannot have virtual machines sitting in two different virtual networks and connect them with one single load balancer. Front ends and their related backend instances must always be in the same network. That means that the load balancer is geographically binded to a particular region, to a particular virtual network. There is no charge for using a basic load balancer, but the standard load balancer is charged based on the number of rules and the amount of data that is processed by the load balancer. Load balancer frontends are not accessible across global virtual network peerings. Always consider the new designs and new architectures when you consider using standard load balancer. We should also understand what backend pools are, and we'll understand that in the next lesson.